If you're trying to get shadow operating clients, but you have 0 case studies and 0 past results, then this video will be a game changer for you. Because the one thing that stops most beginners from signing clients is their lack of proof. It's why they're stuck on the sidelines, while other beginners who aren't even more experienced than them are getting all the clients. Like my student Kieran, who got his first client in 7 days inside the men's dating niche. Or my student Peter, who signed his first client at a 27% revenue share and a $2,000 upfront fee. And of course, myself, who from my first client, I got paid revenue shares of $3,000, $5,000, $4,000, and $4,000. Now, in this video, I'm gonna expose what both Kieran and Peter are doing differently that you probably aren't doing to sign clients with no case studies and no past results. And the strategy is actually pretty simple. Now, before we move forward, we need to define exactly what a case study is and why you think you need one to sign clients. So a case study is simply a form of proof. It's proof that you're not an idiot and can help them get results. That's all it is. A way to show competency, your skill set, and your knowledge on helping them get results. You don't actually need past client results to show any of that. So with that being said, let me explain exactly what that means step by step in detail. Now, since we don't have case studies, we must go out into the market and find examples of people in our niche who are crushing it and use them as the example in our free strategy. Now, when doing this, be sure to use the dangle the carrot method and the free gift method for this exact strategy. If you have no idea what these are, then either go back and watch my free outreach video, or if you're a student, then go to phase 3 in your Shadow Operator Labs outreach strategy roadmap. Now, if you're one of my students, then you should have access to this here Miro board, which gives you the exact step-by-step process for doing YouTube as a shadow operator and going from a video to a paying client of $6,000 or $5,000 or even $3,000. So what you'll do is for every niche that you're in, you're going to build a case study. And this case study, again, will be the top person in that niche right now. Someone who is crushing it on YouTube or Instagram, and you want to break down their traffic source, so their views and content, their funnel, their type forms, their call calendars, their angles, and exactly what their clients get for paying them. Now, I highly recommend also adding in how much money they make. And typically, these creators will be very public with their income. You'll find their income and revenue screenshots like this on Instagram, in their email, in their funnel. So they just kind of show you exactly how much they make. Like right here, I can tell this graph was a graph from Fanbasis. Fanbasis is a way to get paid for selling coaching, consulting, courses, or information. So there's Fanbasis, there is Stripe, and there is WAP. Now, if you can't tell exactly which payment software this graph is from, simply add this image to AI and ask AI. Once you know, then you want to add the image to your board like this to show exactly how much the top person in their niche is making by selling their information on YouTube or on Instagram. Because your clients need a goal to strive towards and they need to know it's real. So showing them this really helps. Now, after you built this out, it is time to record your video. And to record your video, I recommend you either use Loom, OBS Studio, or Tele TV. Now, here are 4 rules for recording your video. The first rule is make sure you have a good mic and good audio. Great video is ruined by shitty audio. So make sure your mic is good. Then of course, make sure that your video right here is clear and high quality. I recommend getting a webcam at minimum 1080 pixels. Okay. So my first webcam was right here, the Logitech C920X. Now, after your camera looks good, the third rule is make sure your background looks good. So background needs to be bright, good lighting, and clean, no mess, okay? So if your bed is behind you, make sure your bed is made and your room looks clean. In fact, when I first started, I was doing calls for my bedroom, and as you can see, pretty clean, pretty clean bedroom. Now, the fourth and probably the most important rule out of all this is you must show confidence and conviction. So please, 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 show confidence and show conviction. So on camera, right, talk with confidence, with energy, show up, because these clients, they will judge you. If you're shy, if you're reserved, if you're insecure, they can tell. And no one wants to work with someone who's shy, reserved, insecure, and just afraid. They want to see confidence. They want to see conviction. They want to see ambition. So just show them that. Also, if you're like me and you have an accent, then I recommend watching more American-based content and practicing your accent every single day. Clients need to understand you because people value clarity. They value simplicity. They value conviction. They value confidence. And of course, they value ambition. So those are the 4 rules. And if you break them, no one is going to watch your videos. So just don't break them and just do them. Okay. Awesome. All right, so now let's hop in and actually make a video for a potential client. And this client will be in the web design agency niche. Hey, Zach, my name is Kim. And in this short video, I actually want to show you how I can help you get more $3,000 to $5,000 high paying clients and students for your offer from YouTube. Now, of course, that was all talk. So let me show you the actual strategy with proven numbers and a proven system. Now, I've gone ahead and broken down one of the biggest competitors in your niche. And Zach, I will say you are sitting on a gold mine, because once you crack the traffic here on YouTube, you can make upwards of 15 grand per week or in 10 days, just like Abu Torre here, who sells a similar offer to you and gets all his leads and clients from YouTube. So you see here, Abu made 18 grand or 19 grand in total sales in like 10 days, all from his videos here on YouTube, which source all his traffic. From YouTube, Abu takes them here to his funnel, headline, here is the VSL or the sales video, and they apply for his high ticket offer, which uses the angle that people younger than you are making more than you because of AI. Again, Abu is in the web design agency's niche and helps beginners to launch their agency to sell websites to local businesses. Now, once they pay him, they receive these here deliverables of the roadmap, the outreach scripts, live coaching calls, feedback, and even a white label fulfillment team. Now, if you're wondering how you can recreate these results here for your offer on YouTube, then here's the exact game plan. It's a 6-step process, which involves using AI to find what's hot and trending in your niche, then using AI to create high quality thumbnails, titles, and scripts for your channel, then posting your videos on the exact dates and time to get the maximum views and maximum reach, and having the exact call to action, which we've optimized to get the highest click through from your video to your funnel using this call to action, and tracking each video and the leads from each video via UTMs. That way we know exactly which clients came from which videos and which topics over here to recreate and double down on. Then we build or optimize a high ticket VSL funnel using all the best practices like Calendly, Typeform, or iClose. That way all our calls here are tracked in our CRM. So we know exactly the lead's name, email, how much money they make, their problems, and which video they came from, including the date they booked and the date of their call. And we zap this data here to our team in Slack like this. From here, we use AI to craft a high ticket offer, which is proven to work on cold traffic first. That way we know this offer will crush it on a warm audience like yours. From here, we craft the sales script around the offer like this. That way you or a sales team we train for you can sell the offer. And from there, we'll receive high ticket payments of 3 grand, 3 grand, or even 6 grand or 5 grand like here. Now for payments, most offers use Stripe, but right now I recommend using WAP for payments because WAP has this thing called Split It, which allows you to get paid in full. So let's say a customer wants to work with you, but can't pay this 5 grand in full. So with WAP Split It, this 5 grand, you're paid upfront and WAP will deal with the monthly installments right here. Now that's the process. And it's exactly what guys in your space like Abu Torre is using to get leads from YouTube and sell them his high ticket offer and make upwards of 18 grand in like 10 days. Now, if you need help building this out, let me know. And you're probably wondering, okay, what's the cost? Well, there is no cost. I only work on a revenue split deal, which means that if you don't get paid, I don't get paid. And these deals typically run on a 60-day trial. So it's 60 days, 60-day trial to, of course, crack this funnel and offer on YouTube to help you scale just like Abu Torre. Now, if you like this and you want to learn more, then reply to my email. Then from there, we'll hop on a call and see if it makes sense for us to partner up on a revenue share agreement like this and recreate Abu's success. Okay, here's how I would scale this. After I send that first value video, I would go back to the same niche and find other potential clients in that niche and simply send them pretty much the same video, but I would make one small tweak. So here, what I would do is I would film an intro for every single new client. So new intro for Muhammad, new intro for Blue, and new intro for Sofian. And all I do is simply make a cut in each video, which leads back to the same body, the same case study, the same results, the same process. That's all I do. Now, just make sure that in the body, you don't say the name of the client, right? Don't say Muhammad, don't say Blue, don't say Sofian. Only say their name and show their channel/funnel here in the intro. This will allow you to create more value videos faster. All right, so now you know exactly how to get clients with no case studies, no results, and no track record. Now, if you're like me and you value speed, then check this out. I've built the most insane database of case studies across every hot trending niche right now, selling information, courses, coaching, or mentorship. And this database is simply plug and play. It gives you the exact creator, their niche, how much they're making in their niche, their socials, and even a link to their funnels. So you'll have everything that you need to enter any niche that you want and show competency, intelligence, and knowledge, and of course, sign clients in that niche. Now, that database is only available to the students inside of my one-to-one mentorship. So if you value speed and you want access to this database, then the links to join will be below this video. All right, and as always, here's to your success. Boom, a toast. All right, see ya.